Hello students, welcome to Shourabh's classes. So in today's video we'll go with question number 28. So we are solving UGC NET 2016 July paper. So we are solving paper number 3. So in today's video first we'll start with question number 28. So in question number 28 it is given, who among the following economists was not concerned with the problem of surplus labor? So we have four options given: Lewis, Narksi, Renzi and Mill. So we have to figure out which among the following economists was not concerned with the problem of surplus labor. So for question number 28 we know that is J.S. Mill was not concerned with the problem of surplus labor. Now, except J.S. Mill, all these people, Narski, Gustav Renesmee and Lewis, all of them were concerned about surplus labor. So for question number 28 the right answer would be option 4, that is J.S. Mill. Except J.S. Mill, all of them were concerned about the problem of surplus labor. So for question number 28 the right answer would be option 4. So now we'll go to the next question, which is question number 29. So in question number 29 it is given aggregate demand. So we have to match the list. So for this we know that is aggregate demand is equals to C plus I. We know aggregate demand is equals to C plus I, and then consumption function is equals to A plus BY, that is 3. So 2 and 3, so 4 is the right answer, we already know, but still aggregate supply is equals to C plus S and saving function is equals to minus A plus BY. So for this we know the right answer will be option 4. So for question number 29 the right answer would be option 4. So we know aggregate demand is consumption plus investment, and consumption function is equals to what? A, which is autonomous consumption, plus B is the marginal propensity to consume, and into Y, and then aggregate supply is equals to C plus S, that is consumption plus savings, and savings function is equals to minus A because this is savings, plus B, which is marginal propensity to save, into Y, which is income. So for question number 29 we know the right answer is option 4. So now we'll go to the next question, that is question number 30. So in question number 30 it is given, who is the author of the book Capital in 21st Century? So we have four options: Thomas Piketty, Joseph Stiglitz, A.K. Sen and Jagdish Bhagwati. We know, so for question number 30 the right answer is Thomas Piketty. Thomas Piketty gave the Capital in the 21st century. So now what I'll do is I'll simply explain a bit about this book. So this book was basically is a book by French economist Thomas Piketty. It focuses on wealth and income inequality in Europe and United States since 18th century. So it focuses on wealth and income inequality, wealth and income inequality in Europe and United States since 18th century. It was initially published in French in August 2013 and English translation by Arthur Goldhammer followed in April 2014. Now the book's central thesis is that when the rate of return of capital, so rate of return of capital is what? Small r, is greater than the rate of economic growth, which is given by G over the long term, the result is concentration of wealth. So the result is concentration of wealth causes social and economic instability. Piketty basically proposes a global system of progressive wealth taxes to help reduce the inequality. So he suggested what? A progressive wealth tax to help reduce the inequality and avoid the vast majority of wealth coming under the control of a tiny minority. So what did he say? He basically said that is the inequality or wealth inequality basically arises because of what reason? when r is greater than g. So it arises when small r, that is the return of capital, is more than the growth rate. When it happens, the accumulation of wealth in a tiny minority population takes place. So in order to avoid it, progressive wealth tax is the optimal thing. So in Capital in 21st Century was given by French economist Thomas Piketty. So in today's video we solved question number 28, 9 and 30. In the next video, subsequent video, we'll go with the other questions. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or questions, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showropsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.